Traveling from India to London is a dream come true for many people, and as a budding vlogger from Darjeeling, I was beyond excited to visit this incredible city. After an amazing and eventful first day in London, I must say that I was feeling pretty exhausted. From visiting the stunning Kensington Palace to exploring the fascinating exhibits at the Natural History Museum and wondering about the vibrant Covent Garden, my first day in London was definitely one for the books. Today, I plan to visit Chinatown and try out various dishes from the many amazing restaurants and street vendors. I have not seen an escalator which is this long. Along the way, I also plan to check out some other incredible tourist attractions and landmarks. Join me on this exciting journey as I explore new sights, sounds, and flavors that this beautiful city has to offer. But before that, we're just, having a breakfast. This is what breakfast looks like. We're finally out of the hotel and heading towards Chinatown. And I know it's gonna be really, really good. So just got out of the train and we are here in Chinatown. Not exactly Chinatown, but I think that's the entrance of Chinatown. But I'm happy about this. Gonna eat some good food. Please bear with me, my camera person is not that experienced. But she's learning. I'm having chai latte for a change. I've never had chai latte. Came to Chinatown to have it, but anyway, just keeping me warm. Finally entering the Chinatown bakery, which is very famous all over the Instagram. So we are here for the pandan cake, which is that fluffy cake. And then what is it?
Taiyaki?
Taiyaki.
I think that's what it's called.
But we'll see. The bakery seems very nice, very famous, supposedly. So we got the taiyaki and the pandan cake, which I'm gonna try right now. This is a very fluffy pandan cake. Let me see if the texture is what I expect it to be, okay?
Did you just give me... You eat this one.
And now we have the taiyaki. This is extremely famous. I don't know why. I don't know what filling do they have. Looks like this. They are made out of the same thing, this cake and this, but it has a filling. Very odd. Very odd. But this is the filling. So this is the place we're going to. This is very famous for its corn dogs. So I got myself tuna keema bozo, which I'll be trying later. Here goes me trying the corn dog. This is the classic corn dog, no? Original corn dog.
Yeah.
Filled with chicken sausage. Nice. I'm a big fan of kimbap and this is what it looks like. It is amazing. So I got myself chopsticks because, just like that. I still don't know how to use chopsticks properly. This is the kimbap I'm talking about. This is so good. So we're at a Chinese supermarket and there's so many drinks. We just wanted to drink something and there are so many options. Mogu mogu.
Yeah.
I got this sparkling water, lychee flavor. So this is the Chinese chicken crepe, I think. It feels like dosa with egg and meat. Not a fan of it though. I'll try the chicken bun now. Oh, this is not. We do not have minced meat here. This is like
a
solid
dry.
meat.
I tried it already.
It's like a solid meat. I thought the chicken bun would be like taiko with minced meat in it, but there's a solid piece of meat. We are headed towards Buckingham Palace. So this seems to be like an alternate entrance to the palace, but this is again like I mentioned, there's a city at one end, there's a lot of greenery just in the middle of it. It is so strange, but at the same time it's very beautiful. So right in front of me I have the Buckingham Palace. it's right behind me now. So it feels unreal again, seeing this in movies and TV series and all of that. This is where the Queen used to stay. Now the King, I guess. And yeah, I was expecting this. It's so crowded. It is so crowded. It's one of the tourist spots, obviously. It's so crowded. We don't really get to go inside. I came here, so it feels nice. But yeah, it feels so unreal, honestly. You know, just casually having kimbap in front of the Buckingham Palace. Wow. We came back from Chinatown to the hotel because I was getting too cold. I needed this jacket and I didn't want to go, all the way to different places without the jacket because it's a bit windy and very chilly during the night. So we went there, we rested for a while, and there was some leftover pizzas, so I had that also. Now we are going to King Cross Station. Yeah, the same station that you see in Monopoly. And there is this platform, right? That's from Harry Potter, right? And beside that, there is a Harry Potter merchandise souvenir stall also, which I'd like to just check out. I was a big fan of Harry Potter in my childhood, and I still like it. So yeah, we'll be visiting that now. Okay, so finally reached King Cross Station. I'm at platform 93/4. I'm just gonna visit this souvenir shop. Go check it out, right? So I just got out of this merchandise. I got myself a little something. Some things are a little overpriced. I even saw the Gryffindor sword over there, but it was only displayed. I got this little Harry. I wanted to get Hermione as well as Ron, but then apparently there was only Dracos. So apparently a lot of people don't take Dracos. There's a lot of Dracos, but I got Harry. Luckily, there was just one piece. Where the platform is, which you pay £15 for the photo. I'm not going to do that. But yeah, I saw the platform. So once a day, we made it a rule to have rice. So that's why we're going to check out this Chinese restaurant and have some rice. So we ordered prawn crackers, and this is what came. This is exactly what I brought Shriana from home. Cheers. So this is what we got for dinner. We have prawn crackers, we have Szechuan chicken, we have white rice, we have fried rice, which I already poured, and we have, what dim sum is it?
Prawn and chives.
Prawn and chive dim sum. Okay, that looks really nice. Yeah, let's dig in, eh? Let's dig in. Okay, so we're returning back after a wonderful meal out there. So it's gonna be a long journey, and that is it for today. I mean, it was quite an eventful day. But yeah, thank you for watching and hanging out until now. Thank you so much for watching.